Let's see how we can use the let function in Google Sheets. First, we need to go to Google Sheets by clicking on Sheets from Google Apps. Let's click on Blank Spreadsheet. This creates and opens a blank sheet called Untitled Spreadsheet. We will rename this for easy future access to let function. Let's create our data. Say we have X values in column A, Y values in column B, we will have M in column D, and C in column E. For X we will write values as 0, 1 up to 10. For Y we will see in a moment. For M we will use data validation. We will go to data in that data validation. Data validation rule pops up, and we will click on Add Rule. Apply to ranges correctly taken to Sheet 1D2. We will let the criteria be drop down. For option 1 we will write 1, option 2 we will write 2. We will add another item and write the value as 3. Let's add some colors to the options and click Done. Similarly, for C we will use data validation. Click on Add Rule. Apply to ranges correctly taken to Sheet 1E2. We will let the criteria be drop down. For option 1 we will write -1, option 2 we will write 0. We will add another item and write the value as 1. Let's add some colors to the options and click Done. We can select any one of 1, 2, or 3 from drop-down for M value. For C we can select either of -1, 0, or 1 from the drop-down. For now, we will take M as 1 and C as 0. For Y we will use the let function. Let function evaluates formula expression using declared named arguments. It assigns name with the value expression results and returns the result of the formula expression. The formula expression can use the names defined in the scope of the let function. The value expressions are evaluated only once in the let function even if the following value expressions or the formula expression use them multiple times. The let function uses name 1, value expression 1, name 2, value expression 2, and so on, and formula expression. An example is shown as X is taken as the sum of the range A1 to A5, Y is taken as the average of the range A1 to A5, and the formula expression is X multiplied by X plus Y multiplied by Y. For our case, we will take X and its value we will take as A2 and we will lock the column only, that is, add a $sign before A so that even if we drag it to other columns, it won't change, but we want the row number to change as we drag this down. Next, we will take M and its value we will take as D2 and lock both row and column, that is, add a $sign before D and before 2 so that even if we drag the formula, it will take D2. After this we will take C and its value we will take as E2 and lock both row and column, that is, add a $sign before E and before 2 so that even if we drag the formula, it will take E2. Finally, we will write the formula expression as M multiplied by X plus C, that is, we want a straight line equation, where X and Y are the X and Y coordinates, M is the slope of the line, and C is the intercept. Let's autofill the values. Let's do some formatting of the data. We see that x and y values are the same as slope m is taken as 1 and intercept c as 0. Let's visualize the data. We will insert a chart. As expected, we get a straight line passing through the origin, 0, 0. We will go to the Customize tab in that series, and for Y we will tick Data Labels, and we see that the Y values are displayed on the chart. For the horizontal axis, we will give the min value as -1 and the max value as 10. Oh, we accidentally ticked the reverse axis order option. Let's untick it. We see the straight line passing through the origin, that is x equal to 0 and y equal to 0. For x equal to 1 we get y equal to 1, for x equal to 2 we get y equal to 2, for x equal to 3 we get y equal to 3, for x equal to 8 we get y equal to 8. Now let's change c from 0 to -1, we see that the intercept is -1, that is the value of y at x equal to 0 is -1. The whole line is shifted down by 1. Similarly, if we change c from -1 to +1, we see that the intercept is 1, that is the value of y at x equal to 0 is 1. The whole line is shifted up by 1. Now let's change c from 1 to 0. Let's change the slope m from 1 to 2, we see that the line passes through the origin, but now for x equal to 1 we get y equal to 2, for x equal to 2 we get y equal to 4, for x equal to 3 we get y equal to 6, for x equal to 8 we get y equal to 16. Let's check for intercepts -1 and +1 for m equal to 2. We see that the line is shifted down and up by 1 for intercept -1 and 1 respectively. Similarly, we can check for slope m equal to 3 and intercepts -1, 0 and 1. With this, we have successfully learned how to use let function in Google Sheets. Thank you for your time. Please like, share, and subscribe if this video was useful.